tackling my closet and doing a closet clean out. It's finally the new year, 2026, and it's the perfect time to do so. So today we're gonna be tackling my closet. We're gonna be decluttering, organizing, getting rid of things, donating, all of the above, because I recently went shopping and I'm running out of hangers. I have a lot of clothes. I have no space to move any of my clothes. I just need to declutter and get rid of a lot of things. It's the new year. It's time to declutter, get rid of things that we don't use anymore. I'm so tired of just holding on to things. So today we're gonna be tackling this monstrous closet right here. It might not look that bad because during the year, I'm not gonna lie, I do sometimes declutter or get rid of things because sometimes there's certain things that I'm like, okay, this needs to go, like it's breaking, it's old. But like I said, I recently went shopping and I bought a lot of clothes. For example, the shirt that I'm wearing right now is brand new from Aritzia. I love it, it's so comfy. And I just have a lot of clothes that I know that I'm not gonna wear anymore. We're also gonna be doing my dresser, but that's gonna be later because in there we have shorts, workout clothes, pants, a bunch of more things. So right now we're going to be tackling my closet first, and I'm also going to be selling some things. I'm not going to donate everything. I'm going to do like donating pile and selling pile. I do have a Depop, so if you're interested in buying any of these pieces or want to look at other pieces that I already have up there, I'm going to leave my Depop on the screen. I have a lot of things, so go check it out if you're interested. But anyways, enough talking, let's get started. Before we get started, I'm gonna give you guys a little overview of what we're gonna be working with. I'm gonna start off with this side. So I have a lot of purses here. I have like beach bags, just purses. Then over here we have kind of like beauty stuff. This I already went through, so we're not gonna be tackling any of this. Here I have my pajamas. Here I have like jeans, pants. We have all my tops, so I have it as like tops, t-shirts, like long sleeve shirts, dresses, and then sweaters, hoodies, jackets. Up here, this is like a mess and I really want to, fix this. This is a shirt that I recently bought that I'm going to return. So I have to find the receipt, put that in a bag and take it out of here. In here, I have like all my bikinis, which I'm going to go through, but I'm pretty sure that I already went through them like recently. So I don't really need to get rid of anything. These chocolates, I bought them for Christmas as gifts. I bought like a pack at Costco and then I ended up giving everyone chocolates, and these were like leftovers that I didn't need to give anyone, so I don't know what to do with those because I personally don't like this chocolate. In here I have a bunch of random things which we're definitely gonna go through and organize. Here I recently got a bunch of organizers from Target, so I need to like find a place to put them or organize them. And then back here, this is like monstrous. I have like a million shoe boxes. These 2 boxes are filled with clothes that I still need to put on my Depop, so definitely check out my Depop. And then down here we have all my sneakers and shoes, which I do want to get rid of some, I think, so definitely going to be tackling this as well. This is just my closet. Then we have my dresser, which is like another completely different thing, but right now our main task is this. I'm gonna first tackle my tops, t-shirts, and all of that. Let's get started and see what happens. First, we're gonna do this. So we need to first, these 2 tops, I don't really like these tops anymore. I don't wear them, but they are on my Depop, so I need to put them in the Depop bin. Like I already have them listed, so I don't know why they're in my closet. And this hanger, I don't really have hangers of like this material. I have like the plastic ones, so I don't know where this hanger came from. So that I'm probably gonna donate because I don't really need that hanger. This top is really cute, so I'm gonna keep it. These tops I'm gonna keep as well. This, I literally bought it maybe 2 or 3 months ago. I've never worn it. Like I took off the tag and I've never worn it and I don't like it. I don't like these like halter tops anymore. It's not really my style, so this was a waste of money from Zara. That's gonna be going on my Depop. This is a keep. This top I've had since like before COVID. Like I've had this top for maybe 5 or 6 years. It's from Brandy. I used to have an obsession with Brandy. I've gotten rid of a lot of clothes from Brandy, but my whole closet used to be Brandy Melville. Like every single piece of clothing that I owned used to be from Brandy. Now it's switched to Aritzia. I feel like it makes me look like a little girl. Like I feel like it's giving teenager, and I'm turning 22. So I'm gonna put that on my Depop. This is a Lululemon top that I haven't worn in forever. This is from like COVID as well. I feel like I could put it on my Depop and someone else can get really good use out of it. It's very nice. I just don't use it anymore. This will be going on my Depop. I just finished doing this part. I feel like you can't really tell, but I did get rid of a good amount of things. I kind of threw a bunch of things over here and then a bunch on my bed. For example, this, I literally love this sweater and I got a stain on it. It's so cute, but that stain just literally makes me never want to wear it ever again. So that's very unfortunate. This blazer I bought and I never wore it. And it's literally like brand new. I never wore it. This sweater is also cute, but I don't really wear it. So is this one. This is what we have so far. And a lot of random shirts here as well. But we have some very good progress. Okay, now we're gonna go through this drawer. I don't think there's anything I want to get rid of, but let's just see. These are my 2 linen pants, which I love, so this is not going anywhere. These jeans I really love as well. These I think I'm gonna get rid of. I really think they're cute, but they're so high-waisted. Like, this is too much for me. Before I used to like high-waisted, now it's too much. These are vintage Levi's, which I love. I'm not getting rid of these at all. These are very old, but they're like a good staple, so I think I'm just gonna keep them for now. That's about it for this drawer. Like I said, this drawer I already went through. It's all my pajamas, so there's nothing to get rid of over there because my pajamas used to be in my dresser, but I did like a little switchy thing. So now they're there and I went through them, so we're good on that. Now I'm gonna do my bikinis. These are my prized possession. I love my bikinis so much. I actually think that I already went through my bikinis recently and I don't really have anything to get rid of. Yeah, I actually don't have any bikinis to get rid of. I already got rid of a bunch of them and I have a couple on my Depop as well that are like barely worn. Let's put that back. These chocolates, I don't know what to do with them. Like, they're good chocolates, I just don't love this brand. I'm very picky with my chocolate brands. This bin is like overflowing. I hate this. How to oh god. This was a candle, but I kept it because it's like a decor piece, but I don't know what to do with this. Like, I don't know where to put it. And I don't know what to put in this. Like, it's just random. This was also a candle, but it's like so cute. I don't want to throw it away. This was not part of this candle. But I just don't want to throw this away. It's cute and it still smells good. So I don't know what to do with this. This is like my junk drawer random thing. This is a random tray that I don't need because I recently got a bunch of trays for Christmas and like just Amazon, you know? So I don't know what to do with this. This is an Echo that I don't use because I got the Apple, the HomePod. This I can get rid of. This is like a decoration thing for your door or something. This is a speaker that I also can get rid of. Don't want that one anymore. There's just so many random things in here. Another tray from Kylie Jenner's perfume. As you can see, this is super random and it still has the tag. Why do I still have the tag? Oh my god. I don't want to do this anymore. Bags that are up here. It's kind of hard to tackle this area, so I'm standing on a chair. Hopefully I don't hit my head with this. Let's see what we can do in this corner. I literally bought this bag and I've never used it. Like, it's cute, but I don't know what to do with this. Then I have this bag, which I don't really use either. This is my aloe bag, which I use pretty often and I really like it, so I'm gonna keep it. Then I have some more bags over here. This bag I love. This is like a Longchamp dupe, but I really like it, especially for traveling because you can like make it small. It's perfect. This I think I'm gonna get rid of because like, it's opened and you can't really close it, and like I'm scared that I lose something or like something falls out. I'm gonna put that on my Depop. It's really cute though. This is a Christmas gift that I actually got recently. It is like a little beach bag situation. It's really cute. And then this is my official beach bag. I'm obsessed with this bag. It's so cute with like the lines and everything. And I also recently got this 818 bag as well that can be used as like a weekender bag or beach bag, like honestly anything. And I really love it as well. It's really cute. This is how I ended up putting everything. I feel like it looks pretty good. These are like the ones that I don't gravitate towards like very often. And then we have this. I put my hat here because before my hats used to be all the way up there. And then this I have to put here because like I can't hang it anywhere else. And then my beach bag right there. It's really hard to show this area because like I literally don't have space. Like this is the space that I have. This is the final look of my closet. I think it looks so much more organized. I'm obsessed with how clear and spacious it looks now. I rearranged some things over here, and then these two little baskets I also rearranged, and I got rid of some hair ties. Here I have all my eye patches and like sheet masks, and then here I have all my claw clips. Here are just like extra skincare, and as you guys saw, I rearranged my bags. Over here I didn't do anything because I recently decluttered all of these drawers, which I just have like extra things. Like I have toiletry bags and just like travel things, and I don't really have to get rid of anything here. As you can see, rearranged some shoes and got rid of some shoes. I got rid of some clothes. Up there I have my hair tools, and back here I don't have to do anything because I recently went through all of this, and I just have to put all of these things on my Depop. But for now I don't really have to do anything else over here. I think that this looks so much better. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I also cleaned the floor like in the corners back there. It's a little bit later, but we're finally gonna start tackling the dresser now. I really need to see what I have in here because I feel like these drawers literally do not fit anything else. They are overflowing. We're gonna try to get rid of a lot of things because I know there's like a lot of things in here that are old or that I'm not gonna use anymore, so it's time to get rid of it. The first drawer that I'm gonna attack is my shorts. This drawer is full to the max. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of them out, and we're gonna see what I can donate or get rid of. There's just too much in here. I also have like skirts in here. There's a lot. Also the fact that these drawers like don't open. I have a lot of shorts that I bought from Aritzia that I love. These are staying with me. I love these. But for example, I have a lot of shorts from like Brandy. Like these are all from Brandy. All of these shorts are from Brandy Melville. It used to be an obsession. Then I have these shorts from Levi's. These are like really good shorts. I have this obsession with buying skirts and never wearing them because I never wear skirts. This skirt I bought from Zara and I've never worn it. And it's like not ugly. It's just the fact that like these skirts don't have shorts under, and I feel like I'm gonna, you know, flash someone. Then I have this like super cute like linen skirt from Abercrombie that I've never worn either. And this is like a summer skirt, so hopefully I wear it this summer. These shorts I'm definitely getting rid of. I'm never gonna wear these ever again. They used to be my mom's, fun fact, so I'm gonna put them on my Depop because they are like a good brand. They're Lacoste. I think these are like tennis shorts, maybe like golf, I don't know. These I'm getting rid of. This skirt I get a lot of use out of. This is the only skirt that I do use just because like it has shorts. I bring this skirt to all my like summer beachy vacations. All of these shorts from Brandy I'm getting rid of. Don't like these anymore. I don't like this style. Tackle my pants. We have a lot of pants in here that I really want to see if I can get rid of some because this is a little bit insane. These pants I need to fix because like this is embarrassing. I really want to get rid of them, but apparently I can get a fabric shaver and fix this like material because this material is really complicated. So these I'm not gonna throw away yet, but if this stuff doesn't come off, I am, because I'm not about to walk around looking like this. I rearranged, but I didn't really get rid of anything because I recently went through my pants and I don't have anything that I have to get rid of at this moment. This drawer is empty because my bed sheets go in here, but I'm currently washing them, so we're gonna ignore that drawer. This drawer, I have towels, and I recently threw out some towels and I got new ones, so I don't really need to get rid of any towels. But now we're gonna attack this drawer because this one is also overflowing. These are my workout clothes, my bras, my shirts, my leggings, and my shorts. So we're gonna go through this and hopefully get rid of a good amount of things because this is insane. As of right now, this is everything that I've gotten rid of. So we have an Aloe sports bra. This is going on my Depop. We have these Aloe shorts. We have these biker shorts as well. These Nike Pros, some Nike sports bras, and then these Brandy shorts. I feel like this is pretty good progress. This drawer is my undergarments, so like bras, underwears, and socks. All right, so I just finished looking at everything and I'm done. I'm literally so tired. This literally took all day. This took hours. So that was a lot of work. I'm gonna be adding a lot of things on my Depop, so please go check it out if you're interested in anything. I really want to get rid of all of the things that I have on my Depop. Anyways, I'm super happy with how my closet turned out, and I did make a good amount of space in my dresser. My dresser is like a small dresser, like the drawers don't fully open, so I'm not gonna blame it on me having a lot of clothes. I actually think I don't have that much clothes, but I feel like every girl says that, and we do accumulate a good amount of clothes. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gave you some motivation to do the same. Declutter your closet, get rid of things that you don't use anymore and don't serve you a purpose. This is your sign to do a closet clean out. Donate your clothes, because there's people that are in need and will enjoy and use the clothes much more than you do. I will be donating a good amount of this clothes, but I will also be adding a lot of stuff on my Depop. So check out my Depop. Thank you so much for watching.